Welcome back to Music Theory in the Car. In this lesson, we're doing the E scale and the A flat scale, which brings our total number of scales that we've studied to 9. We're almost finished already. In these two scales, the accidentals come in pairs. So in the E scale, the sharps come in pairs, just like this. I'll just say them up from now on because you know when you practice them, you should say them up and back down. So the E scale is going to go like this. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. So the sharps are in pairs. And the A flat scale is just the same. So it goes A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. So a really great idea is to keep recreating the scale document on a piece of paper somewhere so you start to see the logic of the order of the sharps and the order of the flats. That's going to come in handy later. And we'll just keep charging. 3 scales to go.